Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable books to automatically download new purchases made on other devices on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to scroll down and tap on Books. Now in here, we go down and go to the automatic downloads section and tap on purchases from other devices. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Once this is turned on, then your iPhone 14 will automatically download new purchases, including free one made on other devices. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.